Yes, hello students. Today I have a new class. The probability, some questions are left of this exercise. After that, I'll go to the next topic of next chapters. Okay. So last time I complete up to question number 10, the piggy bank. No. Now the next question will start with the question number 11. There is nothing we can solve easily. The question was there. The Gopi, what do you call, boy as a fish from the shop from the aquarium, and the shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from the tank container, 5 male fish and 8 what do you call female fish. You can see in the figure it is given. And what is the probability the fish taken out as a male fish? So that the favorable outcome will be male fish numbers, that is 5, and what do you call male fish, and total number of male fish in the tank is 13, 5 plus 8, yes or no, 5 and female is 8. So what is the probability of male fish? 5 by 13. That is easy to solve it. Now we come to question number, we will solve in question number 12. Look at the game of chance consists of spinning an arrow. Okay. See, this is the arrow. Question number 12. So it is game of spinning arrows. Okay. So the number is given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Sorry. It's passing through the middle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then say 5, 6, 7, 8. What it is 8? 8 numbers we have. So the cross one. Okay. I'll rub this one and draw it once. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are dark places, and the arrow is given in the point of 1, suppose, like this. Understood? Now the question is given, the game of chances comes the spinning of an arrow which comes to the rest and pointing out the numbers. So it is take down like this and stop. At the point you have to find the numbers. So where it is stop, only these are equally likely outcomes. And what is the probability you will be taking at the point? If the point has stay at 8, if the point and stay in an odd numbers, if the point and stick in the number greater than 2, if a number less than 9, like that, what is the probability of this? Okay. So what you have to do, first you have to write total number of possible outcomes. So write total number of possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. How much? 8. See, total number is given 8. That's called n of sample space. Number of the total possible outcomes, n of s equal to 8. Now, we come to the first part of this questions, that is, what is the first part of the questions? See nicely, what is the first part of the questions? First part of the question, the probability will be point at 8. So what is the probability point at 8? Can you tell me? How many times 8 is there? Only one time. So you can write probability of getting 8. So number 1, probability of getting 8 is equal to how many possible outcomes? Only one time. And what is the favorable? There is a favorable outcomes. What is the total number of possible outcomes? 8. So 1 by 8. The formula is same. Number of, I repeat again, the formula is number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. Okay. Then by number of possible outcomes. Okay. This is the way you can find it out, the numbers. Now subdivision 2. Look at the subdivision 2. What are the questions they are given? The question is given, in subdivision 2, an odd number. So, total number of odd number will be your favorable outcomes. How many odd numbers you have? Count it. The odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7. This is the tick on the odd numbers. So, we can write directly the total number of odd numbers on spinner is 4. Then probability of getting an odd numbers. Okay. So, total number of odd numbers equal to, that is a favorable outcomes is how much? 4. Already take one. Therefore, the probability, you can write in short form like this, probability of getting an odd number equal to how much? Probability of getting an odd number on numbers on spinner. Numbers on spinner equal to how much? Favorable outcomes is 4, total outcome is 8. So, cancel it, you will get 1 by 2. So, this is the way you can get the answers. Number 3, an odd number greater than 2. So, what is the total, the greater than 2 odd numbers, and a number greater than 2. How many numbers are there? Number 3, an odd numbers greater than what? Greater than 2. How much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. So, you can, that is, what is that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. These are the numbers. So, these are favorable outcomes. So, we can say the probability of getting what? And odd numbers greater than what do you call 6, greater than 2 is equal to 6 by 8. You can cancel 2 3s are 2 4s are, so still 3 by 4, so less than 1. This is the way you can get the answers. Clear? Now, another question is there, a number less than 9. A number less than 9, what is that? Number 4. The number less than 9, equal to how many? All. That means 8. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all. So, therefore, the probability of getting a number less than 9 is equal to how much? 8, no? And total possible 8. So, it's become 1. We can cancel and 1, or 8 by 8 is 1. So, this is the way we can solve question number 12. Now, question number 13. Now, question number 13 is, a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting these numbers. Okay. So, we write first question number 13. When a die is thrown once, we get the sample space, least of sample space. You can say R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, therefore, number of possible outcomes, how much it will be? 6. That is we call in symbolically n of s, sample space, number of sample space. Now their question is a prime number. Okay, so they write a prime number of a dice R. So number was 1. Prime number of a dice R, prime number of a dice R, which are 2, 3, 5. Only this is a number which you can divisible by number itself. So 2, 3, 5, isn't it? So if it is 2, 3, 5, the total number, total prime number on the disc is 3. Yes or no? The total prime number on the disc is 3. So therefore, number of favorable outcomes. In that case, the n of E we can say 3. So therefore, we can say probability of prime number, okay, is equal to 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Now subdivision 2, what is that given? Subdivision 2 they are given a number lying between 2 and 6. So write the numbers lying between, with the short form, 2 and 6 are, look at that, 2 and 6 how much? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So what is therefore number of favorable outcomes? Number of favorable outcomes equal to how much? 3. That's n of s. So therefore, the probability of the numbers between 2 and 6, between 2 and 6 equal to 3 by how much? Total possible 6. So it's also 1 by 2. You cancel. Now number 4. I'll do it here. Question number 4. Number 4 is given. Number 3, I think. Number 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's 3. They're given an odd number. Only odd number. So what do you have to write here? The odd number will be, what is the odd number? Tell me the odd number. What is the odd number? The probability of odd number is how many? To find the odd numbers and their probabilities. Clear? To find the odd numbers and their probabilities. Clear? So what is the odd numbers? The odd numbers equal to how much? 1, 3, 5. Numbers are 1, 3, 5. So therefore we can say the number of favorable outcomes equal to 3. So therefore probability of odd numbers is equal to 3 by 6. Again it is 1 by 2. So all the answers is coming 1 by 2. Clear? So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now we go for question number 14. One card is drawn like that. Okay. So question number 14. Are you clear this one? Now question number 14, I just quickly solve it once. Question number 14 is like this. Okay. A card is drawn, well shuffled 52 cards. Find the probability. So what is the total number of possible outcomes? Number 14, total number of possible outcomes. You already know in playing cards, that is n of ace equal to 52. Then 1 by 1 will solve. Okay. What the first questions are given? The question is a king of red color. How many kings are there in red color? One is hearts king, one is diamond king, 2. So, what you can say? Number of, we can say, a number of, total number of kings of red color. Okay. Total number of kings of red color equal to 2. One for diamond, one for hearts. So, the required probability, you can say short form, required probability, REQUIRED, but you write REQ dot dot. On that event 2 by 52. So, you cancel it, 1 by 13. Number 2, you can go for shortcut like this. So, number 2, they are given what? The question is a face card. How many face card do you have? 3 face card from each color. So, 3 4s are 12. So, total number of face card. Total number of face card. Okay, equal to how much? So, every card 3. You just go through the chart I given you, no? 3 card is equal to 12. So, required probability on that face card, required probability on that event is equal to 12 by 52. Cancel it. 4 3s are and 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So, it will be 3 by 13. Are you get my point? 3 by 13. Clear? Then next one, total number of red face card. Next is a red face card. The total number of red face card. How many? 6. So, number 3, total number of red face card, okay, equal to 6. 3 plus 3. Here 3 face card into 4 cards, 4 sweets, we can say sweets, 4 sweets. So, it become 12. That is also 2 sweets. Red card are 2 sweets. So, 6. So, what is the required probability? Required probability equal to 6 by 52. We cancel 2 3s are 226. It is 3 by 26. Likewise, 4. What will be 4? Look at the 4. Question number 4. A jack of hearts. So, subdivision 4. Jack of hearts. The total number of hearts of total number of jack, that is J, no? J. That is called face card, no? One of the face card, queen, king and J of hearts. Okay, equal to how much? Jack. How many jack will be there? Only 1. So, required probability will be how much? Required probability will be 1 by 52. We cannot cancel. So, this will be the answers. Clear? And number 5, a spade. How many spade do you have? How many spade do you have? The spade is total number of spades is 13. So, number 5, number of spades equal to 13. So, required probability will be how much? Required probability will be 13 by 52. So, 13 4s are 52. So, you will get 1 by 4. And the last one is 6. The number of, what do you call? The queen of diamonds. Queen of diamond. So, number of queens of diamond. Can you tell me how much? Only 1 queen, no? So, diamond 1 queen. Every cards having 1 queen, is not it? Diamond also 1 queen. Okay. So, required probability how much? Required probability will be 1 by 52. So, this is the way we can find all the answers. Clear? So, all the answers we can get it. So, this is the way we can solve it many questions. So, I think after that you can able to solve. The idea we got it. All types of questions we solve. You can try at home. So, I will come to the next class with next chapters. Okay? Okay, thank you.